And hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn a Trade. My name is Kevin Tate. Glad to be here with you all today. Today's broadcast is titled Electrical Safety in Commercial Environments. In commercial environments, electrical safety is of utmost importance to protect both you and the property from potential hazards. This video will focus on identifying and mitigating electrical hazards in commercial settings, as well as emphasizing the importance of proper grounding techniques for commercial equipment. We will also discuss safety protocols for working with high voltage circuits to ensure safety and a safe working environment. Identifying electrical hazards in commercial environments. Commercial environments often have complex electrical systems that power various equipment and machinery. It is crucial to be aware of potential hazards to prevent accidents and ensure the safety of everyone in the workplace. Some common electrical hazards in commercial settings include overloaded circuits by connecting too many wires, too many devices to a single outlet or to a particular circuit. It can lead to overheating or potentially cause fire. You need to be able to distribute the power in units, PDUs, when necessary. Exposed wires and cables that are not properly insulated are often an electrical hazard. Employees should be trained to identify and report any exposed or damaged wires to prevent electrical shocks or fire. Faulty equipment, malfunctioning equipment, poorly maintained electrical equipment can pose a serious risk. Regular inspections, maintenance, and prompt repair or replacement of faulty equipment are necessary if you want to ensure electrical safety. Improper grounding, inadequate grounding can lead to electrical hazards. All electrical equipment and machinery in commercial environments should be properly grounded to divert excess electrical energy to the earth. Inadequate panel clearances. Electrical panels should have enough clearance to allow for easy access and maintenance. Blocking or obstructing the electrical panels can hinder emergency response and increase the risk of electrical accidents. The improper use of extension cords, overuse or improper use of extension cords such as daisy chaining multiple cords or using them as a permanent solution can lead to overheating and fire hazards. Extension cords should only be used as a temporary solution and should be in good condition. The importance of proper grounding techniques for commercial equipment. Proper grounding is crucial in commercial environments to mitigate electrical hazards and protect individuals and equipment. Grounding provides a path for the electrical current to safely flow into the earth, preventing the buildup of excess voltage. Here are some key points in regard to proper grounding techniques for commercial equipment. Grounding conductors. Grounding conductors, often in the form of copper or aluminum wires, are used to establish a connection between electrical equipment and the earth. Excuse me. These conductors should be properly installed and connected to grounded electrodes, such as ground rods or metal water pipes. Grounding electrodes are buried in the ground and provide a low resistance path for electrical current to flow into the earth. Common grounding electrodes include ground rods, ground plates, and metal water pipes. It is important to ensure that the grounding electrodes are in good condition and properly connected to the grounding conductors. Ground fault circuit interrupters, GFCIs, are devices that monitor the flow of electrical current and quickly shut off the power if there is an imbalance is detected. These are commonly installed in areas where water is present, such as bathrooms, kitchens, or outdoor outlets to prevent electrical shock. It is essential to regularly check your GFIs and test them. All electrical equipment in commercial settings should be properly grounded. This includes machinery, appliances, and tools. Equipment grounding ensures that any fault or leakage in current will be safely diverted to the ground, preventing electrical shock or electrical hazards. And that's all I have for now. I will do more of these type of electrical safety videos because I do feel they're important. But that's all I have on this for now. I will see you on the next video. Thank you. Take care and stay well.